Aaron Ellis. I'm the worship pastor here at Deer Creek Church. It really made the room come alive with new lights and beauty here. Our building, our worship space was really struggling with aesthetic, and we were trying to figure out what to do next to really make the room appear beautiful and something that would be a space that we would enjoy worshiping in. And the stained glass really brought that beauty for us. Originally, I had reached out to Martin, and he was looking at the scope of the project and how big the windows were, and really the challenges that we faced with the sun coming in, and because it faces east and we worship in the morning. And so we really needed to block the sun and make it tolerable for people sitting in the chairs. Martin said, I have the perfect designer for you for this project. And Maria just did a fantastic job listening very carefully and intently to what we wanted to accomplish, because what we wanted to do is we worship in a modern space, but we also have a lot of respect for the past and tradition. And so there's a lot of things about our building that give nod to some of the Gothic era. And Maria did a fantastic job capturing that in a contemporary way of bringing modern and Gothic. Yeah, our congregation loves what they see each Sunday morning. So it brings light in here, it brightens up the room, there's color to look at. It's really beautiful. And so the congregation, their response was just awe and beauty when they first saw that. We can see from the outside that our building is improved, that the windows are beautiful, and you can see what's going on even through the outside as well. The challenge for Maria was to work with 5 words: word, water, bread, wine, and prayer. If you look at the windows, it might be difficult to see all of those things represented, but something that in our tradition really pushed back, because we're in the Presbyterian denomination, we really pressed back on the use of any kind of images of saints or pictures of Jesus or any kind of representation of God. And our church, we focus a lot on those 5 means of what we call the 5 means of grace. And that's how we believe that God communicates His grace to us and draws us near to Himself. So that was something that we really wanted represented in the design. And I think she just did a great job, because yes, you can look at the picture and it is an abstract picture, an abstract design. But once we start explaining to people that there is actual meaning there is representation of what we believe as a church, it starts to make sense to people and they can start seeing that. And so, yeah, it tells that story of what's really important to us, which is the Word of God, the water of baptism, the bread of communion, the wine of communion, and prayer. I would wholeheartedly recommend Scottish stained glass, because it was a lot of fun to work with Maria on this project, and really just to see her enthusiasm on trying something new.